In this video, we review one of the best product available in the market today. We will show you the specifications and key features of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
What's up, guys? I'm just doing a quick video review of the TACKLIFE 13 amp 16-inch lawnmower. So in this video we're just going to go over a lot of the features and unique things about this actual lawnmower. And TACKLIFE does have a couple of other lawnmowers, but this is actually the more advanced version. It does have a little bit more of a kick, it is a little bit stronger and a little bit more advanced. And we'll go over why. Now to start off, this is the 13 amp version. It's got the 60-inch version. You have nice blade pushers on the bottom here, so if you hit like a nice patch of grass, it will go definitely under. It'll get cut up really nicely. As well, just to give you guys a heads up, assembly is really easy. Coming in the package, this is already all together for you. The most that you do have to do is to put this together. It's really just simple. It's really putting those pieces on and clicking them into place. Nothing more. The other pieces are probably maybe attaching that and attaching your wire, and maybe your wire pieces that actually hold the extension cord together too. Otherwise, there's not much more maintenance on this. And guys, you don't have to fill oil in it either. I would probably check the blade underneath every once in a while, make sure the bolts are tightened, and make sure it's nice and sharp and clean. To go over, this is actual settings over here that you can actually, lift the lawnmower or lower it. Now it slides down really nice. That's the lowest setting, and you can see it's really low to the ground. Now just to show you over here too, you do have your TACKLIFE attachment. It's a nice little grass cutter collector. So if you like to collect that and maybe use it as mulch, you can always do that too. Or if you like to just naturally mulch your lawn, you can do that too. All you do is simply open this flap, you attach that piece in there, and it clicks in very easily. Now if you attach that, you do want to remove this plastic plug. That will allow the grass cuttings to be actually collected in here. If you don't remove that plug, however, you won't be collecting any of the clippings in here. It will just remulch your lawn. Just to show you guys also, you have your button right here. You would click that, and you would click this down. You would hear that click, and your lawnmower will start instantly. It will be very quick, and as soon as you shut it off, it will shut off immediately as well. If you do have tight spaces, this is also a great lawnmower for that too, because not only can you take this bar and extend it, but you can also fold it down. So if I wanted to, I would just remove that, and then I can fold it forward. I can also click this even further by removing this and removing this. Once you've clicked that, then you can just go, fold it downwards, and it folds really nicely. And then you have this easy handle, and it's really light to pick up. Bag is really also easy storage too. So it just folds right up, so no problems with that either. You could simply put it right on top if you wanted to, I'm sure. save space, really simple, really nice, and no problems. Guys, this is the TACKLIFE lawnmower, all compacted. Hope you have a nice day.
Why we recommend this product. And these are rating for this product.